Brief introduction to goat milking, highlighting its importance for milk production. Overview of manual and machine milking methods. Preparation. Sanitation. Emphasize the importance of cleanliness. Wash hands, clean the goat's udder with warm water, and sanitize the equipment wetting up. Secure the goat in a stanchion or headlock to keep her comfortable and still during milking. Manual milking technique. Form a C shape with your thumb and fingers around the base of the teat. Squeeze gently to trap the milk in the teat, then close your fingers progressively to expel the milk into a bucket. Alternate hands in a rhythmic motion to maintain a consistent flow. Machine milking technique. Equipment set up. Show the milking machine and explain how to sanitize it before use. Process. Attach the teat cups carefully, ensuring a proper seal. Start the machine slowly to allow the goat to adjust. Monitor the process to ensure the goat is comfortable. Storage and handling milk. Handling. Strain the milk immediately to remove any debris and cool it to under 40 degrees within an hour to maintain freshness. Storage. Use sterilized glass jars for storage to prevent contamination and maintain quality. Summarize the key points. The importance of hygiene, proper milking techniques, and handling procedures. Encourage viewers to practice these techniques to ensure high-quality milk production and goat health.